Baker robots are exquisitely designed and compact. Every detail reflects the ingenuity of our engineers. Taking this BR2010A robot as an example, the appearance is not only simple and atmospheric, but also beautiful. Every part has been carefully designed and polished. As a 6-axis robot, each axis is equipped with a corresponding motor, with a reducer to drive, so that the robot has a high degree of flexibility and accuracy. The smooth operation of each joint shows the charm of advanced mechanical technology. There are a series of interfaces in the basement of the robot to meet different functional requirements. For example, the power line interface is used to connect the power line, and the other end is connected to the control cabinet to transmit electric energy and power. The encoding cable interface is connected to encoder, which is used to obtain the information issued by the control system to help the robot accurately execute the instructions. Protective gas intake. Input protective gas to ensure the stability of welding, to prevent the welding area from being affected by impurities in the air. The water inlet and outlet mainly have the effect of cooling to ensure that the robot can continue to work stably in a high-temperature environment. The positive cable interface is connected to the welding machine and is responsible for transmitting the current to achieve the purpose of welding. Signal cable for communication with the welding machine to ensure unimpeded information during the welding process. During welding process, the robot body should be equipped with a welding torch. The welding torch plays a vital role as the main welding tool at the end. The welding torch is responsible for sending the welding wire into the welding area and producing an arc to melt, and the melted wire penetrates into the parent metal after cooling. The workpiece to be welded is firmly connected into one. In addition, the wire feeder is also essential. The wire feeder can cooperate with different welding processes and workpiece specifications, and select reasonable wire feeding methods and wire feeding speeds to meet different welding needs. As part of the welding robot system, the wire feeder works closely with the robot body, control cabinet, welding torch and other components to complete the welding task. The design of the whole welding robot system fully considers the various needs of the welding process to ensure the efficiency, stability and quality of the welding. Through advanced mechanical technology, electrical technology and control technology, welding robot has become an indispensable important equipment in modern manufacturing industry.